Hi guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for The Occupation on the Xbox One. So yeah, picked this up today. Everything I've seen on this game looks quite good. So yeah, there's the front, there's the side, and there's the back. The Occupation is a first-person fixed-time investigative thriller set in the northwest England on the 24th of October 1987, and it also says that you are the journalist, you decide the narrative. So it's Xbox One X enhanced, and the install size is up to 5 gig. And inside is the disc, and not much else. But yeah, that's it for my unboxing. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and cheers.